The Clarke CPT800 8-inch planer thicknesser is ideal for trade use or the DIY enthusiast. This top-quality planer thicknesser with its prominent safety switch will accurately smooth most types of hard, soft and processed timbers up to 204 mm wide. With an adjustable planing depth of up to 2 mm per pass, its powerful 1250 watt motor produces a cutter drum speed of 8,500 RPM. The CPT800 will leave the timber beautifully smooth and free of rough patches and burrs, and will also size timber to be straight and true. Using the fence, edges can be accurately planed to 90 degrees, or indeed any angle between 90 degrees and 135 degrees. By removing the fence and swapping the position of the chippings collection hood, the CPT800 can be transformed into an accurate thicknesser. In thicknessing mode, the Clarke CPT800 utilizes rubber rollers to automatically feed the timber at a rate of 6 meters per minute, ensuring consistently sized timber for your project. With a generous 120 millimeters or 4 3/4 inches maximum material thickness, it can handle really large timbers too. For real convenience, it is compact, making it ideal for benchtop use in the home or professional workshop. The Clarke CPT800's aluminium tabletop measures a generous 737 by 210 millimeters, and a push stick is also included. The Clarke CPT800 planer thicknesser will give you many years of great service.